Oy mga Kuya-Kuy, this is Kuya Mike, ang Kuya nyo sa America, and this is for the Kuya-Kuy list. So this week was a lot of things. Number one, Happy Mother's Day to all na ating mga viewers here in the United States, even of course dun sa Pilipinas and all around the globe na nanunood sa atin. Aside from Mother's Day, another breakthrough yung pagkakaroon ng bagong Pope, and turns out taga-Amerika siya. Congratulations sa ating bagong Pope na si Pope Leo the 14th. And third, sadly, natanggal itong si Josh at si Ralph. But wait, there's more. Ika nga, no? Na tipong pwede silang bumalik. May chance bumalik ang lahat na natanggal na housemates except for Emilio and Michael dahil meron silang big comeback for the next Sunday. So, boto-boto kayo guys. Amongst so far, sa mga pwedeng bumalik, I have to give it to Ralph na kailangan, hopefully, makabalik siya. But then, if you take a look sa mga ating other videos regarding PBB, tipong si Ralph so far and si Josh ang hindi ko nagawa na upload so far. Only because, although gawa na yung material, nag-celebrate tayo ng Mother's Day kagabi. So wala akong chance na i-edit ito. Alright, so ibibigay muna natin yung video na nagawa na natin last week. And ito nga while I was driving.
Alright, ang pag-usapan naman natin, itutuhog na natin probably for another video though. Ito naman ang nominado na si Ralph and si Josh. Okay, so again, we'll be using the three criteria of storylines, presence, and issues. So, kay Josh naman, parang so far, I don't see yet a storyline. Dahil siguro, wala Wala tayong makita. I think he was very close kala Kira, and then kala AC, and I think sila Ashley. He is the youngest, pero again, very limited. So far, ang storyline, yung kwento naman between Vince and Josh, parang natapos na yun. Mukhang okay naman sila so far. Wala naman tayo nakikita na bad blood sa kanila. Hopefully, masettle din yun. Pero that was it. Very, very limited ang kwento ni Josh doon. Presence, ganun din. I think he is one of the likable people there. Pero na-outshine siya ng iba, no? So wala pa rin ako nakikita na presence, although I'm sure he's so much better than Vince na until now, no? Matagal na sila doon, kasama pa niya si Emilio, ganun din si Josh, pero I think he has much better presence than kay Vince. And then sa issue, wala naman ako nakikitang mabigat na issue na ipakita sa ni Josh sa bahay ni Kuya. Between Josh and Ralph, I think Ralph mas mabigat ang pwedeng maipakita sa bahay ni Kuya. Presence, Saing King, darn, ano pa ba yun? He is the Saing King of bahay ni Kuya. And I really like that. Lumabas yung issue na yun, yung nagkalasingan sa boys night out na binigay Kuya. And then dun lumabas yung parang angst ni Ralph kay Emilio na kung saan, bakit Emilio, kinukuha mo yung kanyang role sa bahay ni Kuya na kung saan siya ang mag-provide ng kanin. Kay Ralph naman, nakita natin yung storyline is between AZ and Ralph here. Itong si AZ, pinapakita naman ni AZ na may interest siya, na like niya itong si Ralph. Na si Ralph naman, parang nire-respeto yung supposed relationship ni AZ at ng boyfriend niya outside the house na si Larkin. Pero parang tinapos na rin ni AZ. Kumbaga, tinapos na yung kwento doon, pero it will still be interesting and I think it's gonna happen na magpapakita si Larkin sa bahay ni Kuya. Who knows? Kung okay lang kay Larkin yun. Pero parang nakikita ko hindi rin talaga gusto ni Ralph si AZ.
So, I'm thinking Ralph will go back sa bahay ni Kuya. And what should Ralph do just in case this time? Kailangan bang magkaroon siya ng adjustments with AZ? Isipin nyo, kailangan ba talagang mas maging open si Ralph sa friendship na binibigay ni AZ? Well, actually, the interest ni AZ until now ay parang nalungkot talaga si AZ, no, sa pagkaalis ni Ralph. I tell you, sabi ko nga sa inyo, love teams or even may storyline about love ang pumapatok sa Pinoy Big Brother. So nakita nyo, nakabanse si kay Dustin at kay Bianca, tuloy pa rin sila. So my thinking is that, not necessarily lead on si AZ, pero at least, may konting pakilig. Not necessarily to lead on, just be more open, I guess, kay AZ. Give it a chance. Let's see if there is a friendship na mabuksan between her and Ralph. Kasi nga, yun ang pumapatok unfortunately. Pero so far, ang lakas pa rin ng presence ni Ralph. While he was there inside sa bahay ni Kuya. Hopefully nga makabalik itong si Ralph and I don't know, probably could be Ashley na makabalik din from the Kapuso. Alright, again ito si Kuya Mike of the Kuyakoy List. Until next time.